Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dash Paul. Thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. We have touched 60,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. And today I will be doing a live trading video for this reason. From 2 days, if you see Monday and Tuesday, I'm making profit in Balram Chin, and I'm bored with that particular stock. That stock has gone mad right now. So today I'm gonna pick a different stock that I'll be showing you today. The stock in my radar, and also I'll be showing you, a lot of people wants to know what exactly happens in my Telegram channel, right? How we observe, how we learn. I'll just show you a small example during live market what we learn. Later part we will learn a lot of things, but during live market what do we learn? That also I have an example to you. I'll show you my system also if possible in this particular live trading video, considering we touch 60,000. So if you like such video, hit that like and comment on this video. I love you guys. If you see Nifty is just about 0.20 movement, and these are stocks in my radar. ONGC is going close towards its high. Okay, even Bank of Baroda is in our radar. So if I'm buying ONGC, let me first try with 2 lots. So the highest is 115.80, right? So from 2 days, Balram Chin is a stock which is giving good profit to me. If you see, one day it was long and next day it was short for me. Made money in this long and yesterday short. Today see the stock went down and it's going up. Anyway, it's a buy for this particular stock. Okay, so I've taken it 80. Just looking if I have more funds. I have more 23,000 out of this 50,000 capital. Yesterday's 11,000 I have taken out, and if I can buy one more, so I'll see if the stock goes down against us. I'll buy one more lot and make it bit better, average it out. So that is for my safety. In case the stock goes above, whatever is the profit, I will book it from that. So 115.90 is the highest currently. Time is 10 o'clock. I'll just quickly show you the charts. That was the morning super trend. Just taken the stock from 945 till here. Stock. So anyways, let's have a look on ONGC. Has not yet gone towards its high. That is, it's not broken its high. Same with futures. This is equity futures. Same way, this is equity Bank of Baroda futures. Balram Chin has good movement for the day. It's volatile because it's going up and down, up and down. So this has just broken its high. It's gone to 116.45. Anyways, I'll pause the video and I'll record once I'm planning to sell or buying more lot. So let's buy one more, looking at the movement of this, let's buy one more lot. So we have 12,000. So we have 7,000 free cash, so we have used only 42,000, it's fine. So looking at the movement, average has come to 115.98. Nifty is 0.26. Meanwhile, let's just send a screenshot to the group so that they can learn and observe. So if I am just sending them so that they can observe and learn all these type of tricks and how they can be safe. So it's a learning for our Telegram channel members who have joined through us. Yesterday's Balram chain, India, Bank India, everything went up. If you see, almost what we were observing, 87.80 low breakout, it went up to 82.20, and same with Bank India, it went down from 300, it went up to 288.25. So that is how we keep observing in our Telegram channel. And now the stock is broken also. Anyways, by the time they would have observed, the stock would have been broken. But anyways, they have to sit and observe these movement stocks. So 116.95 is the current high made by the stock. Nifty is 0.24. It has to break over here. So the stock is dancing here. Let's see if it can break its 1 hour candle. So meanwhile, I will just show you the this is how I'm working right now. And anyways, this has to break its 1 hour. That is when we will get the next moment. Just waiting for that, if it can break. So it just started 116.50. It's going close, but little more to break. 116.85. Finally it broke 117. So 1 hour candle range has been broken. $117.40 is the high. Meanwhile, ONGC has not yet broken its own high of 178.70, or even in terms of futures it is 179.10. Balram Chin is dancing between those up and down. Second candle like this, going up, down, and up and down. Alright, so that's Bank of Baroda. 117.15. So 117.25. So we have got it almost in an average of 116 for now. So these are the ones. Bank of Baroda overall 3% above as of now. PSU has reached 1%. If you see, it has gone up. Just going to 3 minutes. If you see, PSU has gone up. As a result, our Bank of Baroda has also had mood. Looking if it has more strength to move up, and is it right time to book profit? Nifty's support is 0.24 is the same. A bit stuck here. 117.25. $117.40. Hope it breaks its own high. If it breaks also, it may get stuck to 117.50 because the resistance is high over there. If it can break 117.50, it can go up to the next one. Next 20, 30, 40 paisa is what we are going to get. This is a stock where even 35 paisa is 0.3%. So you see a lot of resistance is 117.40 and 117.50 is at the peak. It's trying hard to go towards that range. Needs a good volume breakthrough. Come on, break. 5055. Okay, I'm just quitting one particular lot, and next lot, if it can go up, I'm just exiting the next lot also. So anyways, 17,000 profit with capital used was 42,000 rupees. So overall capital became 67,634. Let's say 500 rupees for the brokerage. I will take out 17,000 rupees to my account. So hope when my Telegram people observed all these particular stocks which moved above its high of 115. What is the number? I'll just send a message to them. 117.80. Current high of 117.80. Hope you guys observe. Anyways, I'll be sending them more stocks. Now we will have a lot of stocks which has broke its ranged out. Few things, maybe today I can just be I won't be partial today. I'll just few stocks which just broke its 1 hour charts. If you see, Union Bank is going good. Okay, we can observe it above its high of 77.50, and also we can look at Concur above its high to 628.60 is a high. So if you see, 1 hour candle is broken. So these are for observation only, for educational purpose. On daily basis, when you understand the way I tell things, you will automatically get used to it, and tomorrow you will also start judging the stocks. So it's more of observation, so that people don't do wrong and people trade safe. That is more important, because people are joined through me, so I expect them to trade safe in lifetime. So that's what I'm expecting, and they should learn. That is the main idea what we have Telegram for, just for observations and learning of particular stocks. Anyways, thank you for watching this live trading video. See you soon in my next upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please hit that like and subscribe.